Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Vfxexpert. So guys, in today's class we are going to see keying inside Nuke. So let's start the class here. So now we are inside Nuke and just type importable this sort inside Nuke. So just we have to play and just we have to check. So this is our sort here. So first we have to correct pixel aspect ratio for this sort here. So simply just we have to double click on this sort, then go to this format, then click here and just click on this edit, then just give a name. Then pixel aspect ratio just we have to type 1.3. Now just we have to press OK. So now here just type corrected this pixel aspect ratio for this sort here. Then after this just I'm going to start keying. So for this first we have to take a key light node. So simply just we have to select this sort. Now press tab and just take a key light node. And just we have to connect with this source input. Then we have to double click. Then inside this properties panel just we have to check this color picker options here. Then hold Ctrl and Alt and just we have to pick a color. So again just you can move your color picker according to your requirement, maybe I think. Now press A. Then after this just we have to adjust this little bit this screen gain value here. So not too much, otherwise this will actually just lose some details here. So because all the details just we have to maintain here. So maybe for this one a little bit, if you want, you can just also adjust this screen matte. Open this one, then you can manage this clip white value, or if you want you can just also adjust this alpha bias values. So now here just type corrected this one. Now just we have to play and just we have to check out this matte. So maybe then for all these things here what we can do, so simply just we can take a grade node. Now press G. So first we have to create a proper matte, so remember this one. Now just we have to take a roto node, press O and just connect with this mask. Then just we can create a roto. So just clear this gamma, so just we can see all these things here. So maybe little bit, I think just first we can adjust this gain, not too much. Now just create a roto for this one, this portions here. So simply just we have to press E for edge feather. Then we have to animate. Then we have to double click on this grade node, then channel we have to select this alpha, then we can adjust this black value here or black point value. So now just you can see this one. Then for this one also just we have to adjust. So again just we can take another grade node, just we have to connect. Now press O, connect with this mask input. Then in this grade node just we have to select this alpha channel and just create a roto shape. Now simply press E for edge feather. Then we have to animate. So actually just we have to maintain all these transparency information. Then again double click on this grade node and just we can adjust this black value. So may little bit some problems here, so just we can adjust this mask, maybe this one here also. Then just you can create another roto, or just you can take another gradient roto and just you can manage all these things here. Now press E for edge feather and just we have to first we have to create a proper soft matte here. So maybe I think so later we will correct actually all these things here if there is any requirements. Maybe still just I'm getting some problems here, so we will manage all these things for this one also. So now after this, what I'm going to do, first just I'm going to create a garbage mat for all these things here. So now just we have to create this garbage mat maybe. So now again press O and just we have to create a garbage mat. So this is our garbage mat here, so remember this one. Now just we have to take a merge node, then just we have to connect all these things here. Then inside this merge node, just we have to use this in. So now just I'm getting this result here. Little bit just we have to adjust this garbage mat. This value and this value just we have to also adjust. So for this again little bit just I'm going to adjust this gain value, not too much, otherwise you will lose some details if you will adjust too much here. Now just we have to play and just we have to check. So I think this is too much, so just we have to reduce this one. So now this is our mat here. Even suppose if you want, you can just also recover all this transparency information. So for this what we can do, so just we can just take another key light node. So now press tab and just take a key light node. Now select this one, press 1. Now press A for alpha channel. So now just check this color picker. Now just again hold Control plus Alt and just select color. Now press A. This value just we have to adjust, not too much. Now press O and just we can take a roto node. And just we have to animate. Now just we have to give some edge feather. So simply just we have to check this one. Now press E and just we have to give some feathers here. Then after this just we have to take a key mix node. Now press tab and just take a key mix node. Just we have to connect after this grade node and before this garbage mat. Then this roto just we have to connect with this mask input, and this A input just we have to connect with this key light, this one here. So now just select this one, press 1. So now if you will disable this one here, now press D. So just you can see this transparency. Okay, so just I am recovering all these transparency informations here. So just you can see, so like this just you can recover your transparency or any information. If you are losing, like suppose if you are losing this hair detail, then just you can create a mat for this hair. Then with the help of key mix, just you can combine your mat and just you can recover your transparency here. So now guys, this is our final mat here. So first till here just save our project. Now click on file and save comp and just give a name. So now after this just we have to take a copy node. Now press K and just B input just we have to connect with your original plate. Then A input just we have to connect with your final mat, whichever this one here. Now just we have to take a pre-mult node and just we have to connect after this copy node. Now just we have to select this one, press 1, Now press A. So this is our result here. Now just we have to take a background image. So now again press R and just we have to select our background image. Then press tab and just take a reformat node and reformat as based on your this image plate, whichever this one corrected aspect ratio. Now just take a merge node. This will be our B input and this will be our A input. Now this is our result here. Then after the just I'm going to use spill suppressor here. So a little bit this BG just we have to also correct. So inside this reformat node, just we have to select this fill. So this will just correct it here. Then finally again press tab and just take a reformat node and just connect after this merge node, then double click and select this same corrected frame size here. Now this is just I'm getting result here. Now after the just I'm going to start de-spills process here. So that you can see this one, all these spills here. So for this just I'm going to use key light node. So press tab and just take a key light node and just we have to connect it here, then double click. Then inside the green channel just we have to make it 1. Now just I have removed all these spills here. Then after this we have to also recover our luminance value. So for this we have to take a merge node and this will be our B input and this will be our A. Then inside this merge node just we have to select this minus. Then we have to take a saturation node. Now select this one, press 1 and just make it 0. Then after this we have to take a merge node and just we have to connect with this main flow here. Then inside this merge node just we have to make it plus. So now just we have to check our this result. Now this is our actually result after recovering all these luminance and also removing our spills here. Now just you can play and just check. So first here just save our project, click on file and just click on save comp. Now just you can see, so just I am recovering all these details here. So here details you can also see. So now this is just looking good here. This semi transparency also just I have maintained here. So little bit just I am going to adjust this background color. Now first press tab and just take a defocus node. So little bit just give some defocus value, not too much. Then take a grade node. Now press G. Then we have to double click and little bit just we have to manage. Now just clear this gamma. So now this now just select this one, press D. So just you can see this one. And remaining overall color correction if you want, you can also adjust all these things here. So guys, this is our final result here. So guys, till here I have completed this class. So if you like this video, please watch, share, comment and subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribed my channel. So thanks for watching.